Okay, I just got this box in yesterday. I sent a bunch of parts out to California to have them fixed. I had a whole pile of stuff that needed a little bit of work, and my buddy that does the machining here up the street from me doesn't want to get into doing this part of it, so I sent it out to California and I just got it back. And this is something that everybody's always looking for. So here we go. Parts on some stuff are getting really hard to get. They don't make it anymore. A lot of the stuff I've found, if it wasn't up to par, they threw it in the scrap pile. And, well, I'm trying to salvage what I can salvage for busted and worn out stuff, because, like I say, a lot of this, they are just not making anymore. Okay, start with the first one here. This is basically all the same thing. Repaired back caps. This one still got the original rivet in it, but the tabs were missing. They were busted off. And for sure, aluminum tab backs, really hard to get. Just to let everybody know, not getting rid of any of the aluminum tab backs. You can't get them anymore. I'm going to keep what I got for now. Okay, here's another one. Had new tab put on it. See how quick I can do this here. Another one, new tab. This one's had a screw put in it. One thing I just noticed. Pretty cool. It's not a Phillips head screw being used anymore. It's, I don't know if you can see it, it's a socket head screw. Allen head. Okay. What do we got here? Here we go. Another one. This one, there was no stem left on the inside. This one's got the screw in it. There was no stem on the inside on this one, if I remember correctly, and it had a bolt coming all the way through, a bolt and a nut. Same thing with this one. It was bolted and nutted. I got a screw in this one, which is fine. Going to take a little bit to get the rest of the paint off of this. Okay, hey, we're getting there. Okay, a couple of dome backs. Same thing. Most of these had, when they did the repair, they ran bolts through the through with bolts and nuts to hold the diffuser plates in. And I guess it worked at the time. It was a railroad fix. But I have a whole pile of the housings that need back caps. Okay, prime. Try to find a prime back cap. I had two that needed a fixing. The stems in these weren't even there. They were split, only half of the stem. Okay, getting there. Two more dome backs. Another dome back. How's everybody else doing with the weather? Here it's been damp, dreary. We finally got our first snow a couple of days ago, and now it's all melting. Didn't amount to much. Dome back. Another dome back. Where I live on Cape Cod, we kind of stick out into the ocean a little bit, and 3 directions the wind comes. We get fog, dampness, and rain. 2 more. Look at that. Can't wait to get my rig back up on my truck. Every time it rains, they salt the road. 2 more dome backs. I'm excited. Now I can start putting some chambers together. Anybody needs dome back S chambers? I'm going to have a pile of them. Okay. And last but not least, got my M1 housing fixed. Beautiful job. This was split, let's see, from here all the way over to here. It's cracked down and around. Mike did a beautiful job on it. And I have a piece of a manifold, an M manifold, broken off. And I'm going to take in, that's going to be for my M0 bell, the custom XL with bell nap M0 bell he built. And the one thing I do know on this, I got to take and tap it out and close up that hole, because that is not 3/16, that is not 5/16. Looking at that, that's got to be at least 3/8. That's, I think, a little overkill. But that won't take much to close that back up. Alrighty, everybody. Well, that's what I got. Got the pile of the back caps. Anybody needs the dome back chambers? I'm not selling just back caps. Without a back cap, a chamber's no good, and that's the one thing you cannot get anymore is back caps. So I got a pile of S chambers. Anybody needs any, they'll be complete and they'll be working 100%. I'm going to send the housings up, have my buddy check them all, make sure they're all within spec, put them together and test them out. Alrighty, everybody, have a great day. Hopefully the winter gets over quick here and I can get my rig back on my truck and the salt go away, and we'll be styling. We'll be good. Alright, happy day. See ya. Hey, we're down here in my cellar. It's another Cape Cod gloomy, rainy, foggy, misty day. So I'm kind of going through some of what I got and trying to maybe organize, but this is kind of what my part stop looks like right now. I mean, I got more stuff all over the place here. Let's see, got my couple of prime bells, building a prime 920. I line up the manifolds. A lot of them, like the Lesle 5 chimes, they need a repair. They've been tree branch whacked. Couple of chambers, a whole pile of dome back housings, round back, depending I guess on where you're from, what you call them. And they go with all the back caps that I just got back from California. I got my pile of tab back housings, aluminum to the left, bronze to the right. I'm going to hold on to the aluminums for now. If anybody can use any of the bronze housings, I got a few of them. what else we got going on here? Got my box of spike back caps, RS. Some extra RS diffuser rings. You can never have enough of them for some reason. What else we got going on here? I got a box of snow cones. My box of RS housings. Got my aluminum A200. Just waiting on a diaphragm that's being made. And I got a whole bunch of M-horn spacers. Anybody can use any M-horn spacers. I have a whole bunch of different thicknesses. All kind. There's a good size one here. Actually, that's something somebody cast, I think. It's hard to tell. But it was definitely cast like this. Pretty nice to have, actually. I have to see exactly what it's going to fit. Okay, but there you have it. That's kind of my parts room. That's why I sent all the back caps I had that needed a fixing out to California to get fixed, because I got to put all these chambers together. And they're not good without the back caps, that's for sure. And I got a whole pile of diaphragms ready to go too. That's a bag full of diaphragms right there. Good to go. Okay, everybody. Here's a little quick peek at my parts room. Hopefully next time I give a quick peek, it'll be all on shelves and organized. For now, it's just kind of thrown in the corner here because I've been working on my house. But there you have it. Parts is parts. See ya.